Hello, good day. How are you doing? Okay, in this video I want to explain to you how you can create your slide with WPS. Okay, you are going to go into the WPS app, click on it from your phone here, and it will open. Remember that you must have arranged your course into different modules. It will not be good to have everything in one place, and it will be too much. So you are going to click on this plus sign here. You are going to click on this plus sign here and select presentation. It's coming up. So as it's coming up, I said that our courses should be in modules. So we have a lot of templates here, a lot of templates that you can work with. Okay, let me take this one, this dental health something. Okay, it's opening up. So this will be the first module of my course. I will arrange it and edit everything on this slide. Every slide can be edited. Okay, so I'm going to start editing. Let me start with this picture here. I can change the picture. Okay, let me put my picture. Okay, you can adjust it. Okay, let me go to this word here, double click it. Rising above heartbreak. So I've done that. I can change the color of this letter. You just need to select all of them. And come to this. I can increase it from this letters here that has minus and plus. I can increase it with the plus sign. I can decrease it with the minus sign. Okay, I can now change the color here. I change it to red, to green, to any color I want. Okay, so every other thing on this slide can be edited. Even these things here, you can remove them. So when you finish, you go to the next slide and put in whatever you want to put. And when you have done everything you want to do with your slides, if you go to the next one, when you have finished doing everything you want to do, you click on done. And when you click on done, you will now play it.